Hello everyone. So first we're gonna start off by making a scenery, starting by making two trees using orange and pink color sketch pen for coloring. Then we're gonna move ahead towards some more figures. We're gonna make mountains, sun, water, and then the birds. Next, we're going to start off by making the scenery of a house and some more figures. Starting by the house itself, we're going to make the detailings of the house, including door, windows, and then the chimney. Then we're going to make a tree, sun, and some stones at the ground. Now you can color it as per your choice. Next, we're going to use our hand for making the structure of the brinjal. Then we're going to move ahead towards its detailings. We are going to make the stem and then the big leaf of this brinjal. Then we're going to take green sketch pen and then we are going to color the topmost part with it. After that, we're going to color the leaf as well with the same color sketch pen. Then we are going to use brown sketch pen for coloring its stems, followed by the purple sketch pen for coloring the whole brinjal like this. And then your beautiful drawing is completed. Here we are drawing a scenery containing a beautiful house, starting by making the structure of the house. We are going to make the windows, doors, and the chimney as well. After that, we're going to move ahead towards its surroundings, which includes a tree beside it, starting by making its trunk and then the green part of the tree. After that, you can see we are going to make some more grass at the side and a wooden fencing plus flowers, and then you can color it as per your choice.